Hello everybody. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe the channel. It supports me and my family. Today, I'm going to show you how to cook my special fried rice. What I'm using is 600 grams of jasmine rice. You can use gluten-free rice if necessary. Okay, this is gluten. And 1 egg. Okay, little bit of prawn, we call it shrimp, is cooked already. Mixed veggie and a handful of bean sprout or bean soup. Okay, 2 teaspoons of MSG, 1 teaspoon of cooking salt, and half teaspoon of white sugar, and also 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce. And I'm also using Chinese sauces. This one is perfect, and a lot of my customers, they like it also. Alright, and another thing is BBQ Pork. If you like it, you go to my previous video and check it out. Okay, but make sure if you do it yourself, make sure that you cook the pork properly, not half cooked. Okay, it is not good for your health. If you don't want to make it yourself, you can buy the barbecue pork from Safeway in the DELI section. So heat up the wok with high heat until it is hot. Then put in the cooking oil, just somewhere around 2 tablespoons. Will be enough, okay? So when it is hot enough, then we put in half of the eggs, like this, okay? Then put in the Chinese sauces, fry a little bit, then the rice, okay? You have to cook a little bit more until you can smell the rice is cooked. Then put in the barbecue pork, mixed veggie, as well as shrimp. Cook a little bit more. Then the last one is the bean soup. Cooking salt and white sugar. Now we are going to put in the MSG. Be careful, never put the MSG on the side of the wok. Otherwise it make it burn. It's not good for your health. It is harmful. Okay? Put it like this. And then fry it again until it is properly done. Then put in another half of the egg, which is the remaining of the one we used, and cook it again. Now, the last one, we are going to put the light soy sauce. This part is very important. How we put it in? Okay. We don't want a salty taste. Light soy sauce is very salty. What we want is a flavor. How we put it in is on the side of the wok. Let it burn. We want to burn out the tasty taste and remain the flavor. That's what we want. Okay, that's it. I can do it. You can do it also. This is what I want. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. That's all for today. See you next time.